Hello, wonderful people out there. Hi, I'm Charmy. At first, I wish you a very warm, happy Environment Day. On the eve of Environment Day, today I'm gonna share a few of my experiences. Are aware from the last 2 years that we people have faces a lot, and today's time it's become very essential to conserve our nature. That is, we must have to restore our ecologies. So today is on the occasion of World Environment Day. I have stepped forward to plant a tree. Each people on this planet Earth has faced a lot in recent time. As we all are aware, these problems are related to somewhat threatening of nature. So it's our prime duty to restore our nature. Only we people can resolve it. As Mahatma Gandhi himself had said once, be the change you want to see in the world. But the changes we want to see in this world, those practices must come from within us. So here today I am gonna plant a neem tree on the eve of World's Environment Day, that is Aegyodica indica. I have chosen Aegyodica indica, that is neem, because it has various importance in nature as well as it has various medicinal importance, and also it purifies the air. Now let's have the plantation.
Unlike other trees, neem trees also exhale out oxygen and keeps the oxygen level in the atmosphere balanced. It brings other environmental benefits such as flood control, reduced soil erosion, etc. Apart from all this, the bark, leaves and seeds are used to make medicines. Neem leaf is used for leprosy, eye disorder, bloody nose. It is also used for the treatment of fever, diabetic, gum diseases, and its leaves is sometimes used for blood control.
Here I have successfully completed my plantation. And along with this plantation, I have added responsibilities in my life, that is the responsibility of taking care of this plant in its growth and its development, and I am very glad to take this responsibility in upcoming times. Okay, it is fine and good that I have planted a tree, but question is that how will we take care of this plant in future time? That is, how will I maintain this plant? Yes, I will maintain this plant by after planting a tree, it is very much essential for the first 2 years, which is known as critical year, to check the adaptation of the plant, whether the plant is suitable, whether the plant have get into the soil or not. Ensure the proper amount of sunlight the plant is getting or not. I must ensure the proper amount of water the soil is getting or not. I must ensure that it is protected from other animals from grazing. Think for a while. Each weekend we are collecting various species, and while collecting the species, we will able to know various species which we have didn't know before, and it will boost up our knowledge. It will help us to enhance our knowledge. It will introduce us to various plants with its various importance, and another way it will benefit us to restore our ecosystem, to restore our surrounding, to restore our nature, and to keep our surrounding with clean, purified air, as well as it will provide a ton of oxygen, which is very much essential for humankind for its survival. Apart from all this, while planting this tree, whatever effort our body will put into this plantation, it will count it as exercise. So don't you think planting a single tree each weekend will how much be benefited for us? So are you guys ready? Are you guys placed today to plant a new species each weekend and save our nature, help ourselves to live a green and healthy life? So say no to deforestation and yes to afforestation. Let's pledge together to make a green world. Let's pledge together to save our mother nature. So guys, don't you think conservation is life? A single tree can help us breathe, protect the land, provide sustainable wood, encourage biodiversity, provide shelter and save. Together we can. Let's unite and protect our ecosystem. Thank you.